What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing a wandering straight pour, but there's no oil in any of the colors. The last video I did was a wandering straight pour, but there was oil in it, so the cells kind of disturbed a lot of stuff. Still came out really cool, but nah. Today, no oil. Another wandering straight pour. Oh, I should probably tell you what the colors are, eh? So we have a cerulean blue, light violet, magenta. This is a titanium white that's got like a metallic in it. And then we have a cadmium red. Beautiful colors. I'm very excited to see what this looks like, especially since there's no oil. So let's do this. All right, so how's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm having a great day over here. Just gonna mix these or layer this cup real good. Red and purple safe. I'm actually looking at a color wheel. So red and the purple, they're not gonna cancel each other out and create mud. If I had a red and a green, they would. So I would just have to layer another color between. A lot of times this is sitting off to the side. You might not be able to see it, but I do reference it more often than not. It's just some color combinations don't like each other. This just makes it way easier to tell, like before you pour it. So I'm trying to let it drip down the side of the cup so it doesn't churn. I'm not trying to overmix these colors. I want to go for some really clean, sharp lines. Not as much blending. There's still going to be a little, because as it's pouring out of the cup, the colors are touching each other and slowly mixing, but even as I'm pouring it down the side, it's picking up a little bit of that color underneath and, you know, blending. So but yeah, very kind of excited for the road trip. It's going to be interesting. It's been a long time since I've taken a road trip basically solo, so it's going to be some nice chill, relaxed time, kind of. At this point, we have far more than enough paint. Well, no, this is a 12 by 12, so maybe not. But none of these colors have silicone in them, so we'll be able to easily use some of those colors as the base if we choose. I'm excited for this. I think it's going to be really cool. All right, well, that's about it on the red. Let's put a little bit of this magenta in there, and then the rest of our metallic white for some contrast. And then we're about there. We're about ready. Is this thing okay? Kind of tilted weird. All right, so now we're gonna do our wander. Just like last time, I'm kind of just wandering through the center, creating these patterns and lines, and trying to have a lot of interesting little details in the middle here. Now that white, you can see where it was mixing. It is blending a little bit with those other colors. We're not getting a whole lot of blue, so I'm gonna have to, it's very, very dark, but we do have a little bit of that cerulean blue in here now coming out, so. For the middle, it's gonna do like a traditional kind of straight pour there. Whoop, there we go. Man, that's cool looking. I love the way that that cerulean blue transitions into the violet, then it goes into the red. Fantastic. All right, so let's take a little bit paint for the corners. Sides will be fine. It's normally the corners that have the hard time. You guys know that. A little bit of work. Man, that's, I can't get over the center there because that's going to grow to be pretty large. And it's beautiful. I'm excited to spin it. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. All right, let's go. It's a nice light spin. Now we have coverage. So now I can, oh my goodness. That is beautiful. With the like ribbons of color and wow. Now one thing I didn't thinking about now, just because I'm seeing that white spot right there, is the metallic white tends to try to pearl up a lot. So it is possible, because that one is purling right now. I'm kind of really hoping that the whole outside edge doesn't pearl up, because that's fine. But let me get you guys down here. I want you to see it. It's freaking beautiful. All right, so yeah, you can see all those ribbons when you're in a distance. I mean, it almost looks like we have some orange in there, but there's not. It was just that red and the whites and all the colors kind of touching each other. It's beautiful. I really can't get over like the folds and ribbons going throughout. This piece is really cool looking. All right, so it didn't cause a bunch of purling, thank goodness. Just that one little white cell right there. We got some really nice ribbons and folds of color. The colors are pretty stark and very well separated. I'm happy about that. Just got some really cool stuff going on. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.